Video tutorials by Andrew Buckle. In this tutorial I'm just going to show you how you can create some very interesting blurring effects which can be modifiable. Now on this image, first thing to do, just go up to a layer and duplicate layer, click OK. Now I'm going to click there as well just to remove that, so it's actually now can be edited as well. So I'm going to go to a layer and smart objects, convert to smart object. So that's a smart object now, the background. Because what I'm going to do is go to Filter and Blur, Gaussian Blur. I'm going to apply a fairly large blur, so click OK. Key thing here, that blur is now still editable, so you can actually modify it at any point. So if you want to reduce it or increase it, you can modify it. And now just go up to the top layer and go to a layer, layer mask and reveal all. Now just go over to say like the gradient tool, and I've got here a difference mode. I'm going to go for difference mode because you can use, obviously you can use it in normal and you just apply one. I'll just do that actually first, probably best just to quickly show it normal. And you can apply, say, just a linear, and you can create straight away. You can see now the blur at the bottom. Of course it's still fairly sharp because of course that's the white there and it's black at the top. You of course can apply it, so you can make the blur move down. Again, make the blur just that part, and that's still fairly clear. Now, but if you want to create maybe slightly more unusual blurs, you can actually just go up to, get back again, and go to Filter tool, the gradient tool I should say, and go to Difference. And then just apply it across. Now, as long as you've got that selected, that's the key thing here, the mask, the layer mask. Go up there, and you can actually see the effect. Just change it in different ways. So if you want, say, like be blurred over there and clear over there, you can see the white there and white there. So it's still clear there, but blur just around that point. Again, you can apply it there, and so on and so on. Of course, you can go to different gradient types, such as a radial, so you can actually add a whole range of different blurs very quickly that way. Now, not only that, you can also, of course, modify the actual gradient. So what you can do, just go to Filter, maybe apply a blur to that. So you've actually got a slight blur to the actual gradient as well. And also Filter and Distort. I'm going to go for a 12. So 12 option, you can see 12 there. And there you've got the blur. You've got still quite clear at the centre with the white again. You can see the clear around there. So, whole range of different ways of creating some interesting blurring effects just by using a layer mask as well as a smart object. Because if I go back here to the smart filters, I can just go to Gaussian blur, double click on that, bring up the Gaussian blur and maybe reduce that. So you can actually see more, or even make it even more blurry. So you can actually see then the twirl effect far more pronounced. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.